So yeah, I've been waiting for price to come into the low of this swing on, you can see it on the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame on euro dollar. It fails to hold that level, and the next level for me is was 50% off this fair value gap, which is where price starts to react. And I've taken a long here. I've got my stops well below, just giving it some breathing room, and I want to take my targets at these highs. It's almost a 1-to-1 risk reward. I like the trade even more because of the fact, we had accumulation just before price approaches that level. Ideally, had I seen price tap into that level, I would have taken a trade as it was approaching, as it was holding that level. However, I got in around here somewhere, and yeah, with my stops there and my targets above these highs. Ideally, I want the targets to be at New York session high. I entered this trade, and although I was happy with the pattern that was playing out, accumulation, bullish trend, New York session, a time where price can find a low, and this sharp run into a 240 point of interest. I was obviously aggressively trading here. Stops were somewhere down there. I should have waited for further confirmation. We close above this bullish, bearish fair value gap to create an inverse fair value gap, and then price comes down, takes out liquidity off this level, puts in another fair value gap, which is some way. Ideally, we want to take a trade at this level rather than at this low. Also because there is also this 60-minute fair value gaps, 50%, the consequent encroachment level below that. So ideally, if I was, looking for a long and being aggressive, I should wait for price to come to this level rather than this level. However, I don't think that's something I want to do. I'm getting out the trade way too early, especially on a Monday. I did not expect price to. I wasn't expecting price to, continue and reach its highs on a Monday. Usually price will consolidate, come to a level, and then pull down, take out Monday's low, and then push up. So yeah, okay, I could have entered on the fair value gap after we held this and started to displace bullish, and then taken target 1 at like Asian high, and then moved my stops to break even. At least that way, if we do get a runner on the week on Monday, I would have caught some of it. So yeah, the bullish fair value gaps holds, price pushes up, takes out this fair value gap above that swing, and then finds resistance, and then we go into next day, which is exactly what happens. Price comes down, takes out Monday's low, and then we start to find bullish momentum, and now we're here. So yeah, so Monday, even though it was bullish, we came down, took out a swing low, ideal trading requirement criteria, came into a fair value gap, fair value gap's 50%, and found support. Although aggressive, I should have waited for further confirmation, such as this pin bar rejection, this sharp close down after consolidation, and close above that, and then hold off this low displacement fair value gap, and then could have even entered on the pin bar here after the fair value gap was held and taken target 1s at there. So that's my trade review. Ideally, yeah, if I'm going to trade these on a Monday, I need more confirmation, because it was not fun to trade it at this low with no confirmation on Monday, and because I was expecting price to come back down, I wasn't sure when it was going to come back down. Waiting for further confirmation. At least I can take target 1s at a level, and then move my stop to break even. That way I can catch some of those trades. So yeah, that's a good review for this trade.